can't show that one. Might not be able to show any of these. Nope. Jack, I told you wrong. I got the George Bush one. Might have to order that other one I told you about. I do like the paint scheme on it. That one I can't show anybody. That is a present. But I will say it's the same thing as those two, but it's not for me. So, sorry. Not to fear though. Uh-oh. It's a 70 Ace. Oh, these are all SD 70 Aces. BLIs from Pfeiffer Hobby Supply. Okay. So that's one box. Oops. What the heck? Provo, Utah. I'd love to show you what's in the box, but that's also a surprise for someone. Not all of them that's in the box. Some of them are for me, but I can't show you any of them. Hang on. Yeah, one more. Hey, that's what I need. I need to get some in-scale track on that. Six of them. Jesus. Metal cases. They're all metal cases. Got this Cat CT 681 concrete mixer. I got 2 of those. Cat CT 681 dump truck. And the Cat 972M wheel loader with log fork. These are sweet. Wow. Each have their own catalog and the reveal. And I took the tripod back to the truck. Oh, wow. Wow, that's kick-ass. Whoops, sorry my language. Wow, it's even cut out for the... I know guys who... I made this order way back in April with 3000toys.com and forgot about it because they hadn't came in yet. I know guys who bought cases of these because they're HO scale, the Cat truck, that are no longer being made anymore. Wheels turn, there's screws holding everything together so you can take them apart and do what you want with them. All the wheels roll, singles, duals, the drum rolls. This is kind of, well, that rotates. Ooh, I wonder if that comes out. Yep, sure does. Little spout rotate. Oh, I think I just... No, hang on. Chute pops off. Too bad you couldn't take that one off and add it. But that spins around. Really free flowing on that. And that does go up. The water tank, the motor, Pan American flag on it. Trucks are actually pretty nice. That's really nice. I wasn't expecting all this. There's a little holder piece in the back. Yep, I think that went out. That went in there someplace. That's really nice. Let's pop the... Oh, hang on. Yeah, I pulled the rubber. I pulled the wow. Oh man, really? Def tank. The blue lid, blue cap there, that's for def. I didn't even notice that on that one. I don't think that comes out. Hey, rubber mud flaps. Wow. Oops, sorry. Rubber mud flaps. Air tanks. We got 3 screws holding them on. Single stack. I wanted to see. I know it does. I lifted it up already. Oh, wow. It's stout, too. Oh. It's not much of a hydraulic cylinder, though. But I wonder. There's another stage, I think. Hang on. Yeah. I know some people that will be changing them out and making them a little bit more realistic. It'd be nice if the... I don't think that rolls out. It's the cover. It looks like it because it's on a pivot. But I think it's all molded into one piece up here. Oh, there's even lights up here on the top of the cab. And of course, I got it up the third stage. Hang on a minute. Hang on. It did. It went ahead and slid from there to there. So actually, I mean, you got really two stage, but then they make it slide down to the bottom of the bed, so it looks like it's got three stages. Not sure if it goes up high enough to be actually, functionality. Would look good at a paver though. I got the APAC Norscot, and these are DM Diecast Masters real replicas. That would look really good at the cat paver. And then cat milling machine up here with the other dump truck taking the millings away. This guy's bringing the asphalt and dumping into the paver that's sitting behind it and being pushed along. All cat equipment. That would look pretty neat. Next one's up. I'll look at that one. Oh. That is stout. Uh-oh. I think they should be pushed forward. I have to work on that. They got damaged. They got pushed over, I think, from the packaging material. Hang on. Yeah. Just a little pushing over. It'd probably come back over all the way. Real rubber tires. Not much on the articulation. It is heavy though. It's all metal. Of course, the log loader. The reason I bought this, I was going to see if I can take it, make a mechanism that would actually take this piece off. Oops, sorry. Take this piece off, take the log loader off, make an attachment that would attach back here, to where this would actually be turned. I might take both of them and take the other set of forks and put them on this side, and then it would be sitting. It'd be sitting this way. Well, actually, it'd be on here, and it'd be sitting. It'd be on here, and it'd be sitting this way. If it can come down, and pick up a chassis, clamp it together, or pick it up, and then carry it over and place it at the rack. And the other feature is I was gonna make, or maybe have someone print it up, is the mechanism that you can actually take the set of forks, and they would, like I said, would still be sitting on here like this, and you can go in, or actually no, this way, and you come in and pick up a chassis, raise it up, and then it would twist. So how they twist them around and load them onto themselves. But it's all really nice features. Everything's metal except for the plastic. This is plastic, and that's plastic, and this is plastic. That around there is a plastic. There's actually a worker inside. That's nice. Like I said, the articulation's not too much, but it works. So I wonder if this piece should have been knocked out of there. But that piece should have been knocked out of there. Or maybe not. I don't know, it's going to push it back over again. I wonder if the other one's like that. I wonder. Hang on. Alright, actually I'm done. Oh, actually I'm not done. Each one came with a catalog. These are 150 scale cat machines. Those are all 150th. 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 That would be nice in 87th. We already make them in 87th. 627Gs are in 87th, which is that, but a G. Let's see. These are 150. 150. 994. 745 would be nice. 150. Ooh, black. See, they started making them in black. Let's see. See, I got one of those in 87th. Planers. Cold planers. There's 988. This is what? 972. That would be alright. Material handler. Underground mining would be great. That's, but some of these are, oh wow. Rotary blast hole drill. That would be cool. '50th scale still. Trucks, 150th scale. 125th. 125th grader. 125th D11. 125th. 125th and 125th. Huh. There's 87th. I knew it would have it. So 966M, the 972 wheel loader. Ooh, 12M3 motor grader, kick-ass. The D9T, the M318D, 627G. It's twin motors in front and back. The 730 articulated dump, the 772 off-highway truck, 320DL, the 972M wheel loader, the 450E backhoe, 308C Mini. Oh, that's 150th again. Dang it. Back to 150th again. There's a lot of 150th scale. I wish it was 87th scale. Forklifts, 125th, 112th diesel motor. Diesel engine, I mean. Diesel engine, 25th scale. Let's see, 32nd, 50th, 50, 50, 50, 50. They got that in 87 as well. That would be great in 87th. And that would be great in 87th. And then index. Oh, I think was that it? Yep, that was it. Index by item number. So, anybody need a catalog? Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Was one in the box, and then each one had one. All right, that's all I got. Oh, those future video. I'll take those with me in the truck, get some track laid, get the scenery painted, get some track laid, and I'll run them. Maybe I'll run them with some of those that are in that box there. Who knows? Later.